Have you ever wondered if crypto trading bots can actually deliver on their promises of making consistent profits? With the rise of automated trading in 2026, it's no surprise that many traders are now turning to bots to streamline their trading experience. But which ones are truly worth the hype? In this video, we'll be delving into the world of crypto trading bots and identifying the ones that have consistently made money in 2026. From backtesting results to real-world examples, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the complex landscape of crypto trading bots. One of the most popular crypto trading bots in 2026 is the Trendster bot, developed by a team of seasoned traders and developers. This bot uses a combination of technical indicators and machine learning algorithms to identify profitable trading opportunities in the crypto markets. But what sets it apart from other bots? The Trendster bot uses a unique mean reversion strategy that takes advantage